mean, this is the first time we've ever done a Jet 2 holiday, and it was just amazing waking up and seeing the palm trees and the pool on the very first day. It's like waking up and you're right in that tourist brochure. There's always those little concerns when you book a holiday, like how easy will it be to find your transfer from the airport? And with Shine having access needs, there's always that added stress, but it was so easy. We arrived at the hotel, we were explained about the entertainment, about all the different places we could eat. Kids have loved the slides in the resort. There's just one separate pool with slides of different sizes, and they've just been going up and down those steps and over again, enjoying trying to race each other and do various things. We spent almost half a day in an aquarium. It's like the longest tunnel aquarium in the world, where you can walk through, you see the sharks swimming above you, and the kids were absolutely fascinated. It's been so lovely being by the sea. We live in London, so suddenly to be able to get on a boat, to get out onto the ocean has just been lovely.
There's a giant net to fish.
We even managed to jump into the sea from the side of the boat. And the children have been really challenging themselves. They initially said, oh no, I'm not jumping off a boat, that's too scary. But once we were there and I did it and they saw it was safe, they all wanted to join in. It's great finding things that I haven't done with Shine before. Like when we were on the boat, we found a backgammon board and I realised I'd never taught him how to play. It was so relaxing taking a short cruise on a yacht, and we just ate fresh fish overlooking the sea. It was perfect. The great thing about coming to Turkey is we're like right in the middle of an ancient land. We've seen a Roman town. Like, you can actually see the marketplace with all the columns that were there in the 2nd century AD. And that's been great for the kids that have done so much learning online in the last few years. You always wonder on holiday, like, what are you going to do in the evenings with the kids? But there's been a mini disco and the children have really got into it, and we've learnt all the moves, and we've even been able to watch some shows, some acrobats. It's been great. One of the best things has been there's been so much for the kids to do, and they've kind of felt like their own boss. The kids are like picking up words. They're saying, Mummy, does that mean yes? And they've learned that teşekkürler is thank you. We went and bought some Turkish delight the other day, and we handed over our Turkish lira. It's like foreign money. It's just so nice when you've just been having your holidays in the UK to just have that sense of being in a different country where they do things differently. I've had conversations with Shine that I just don't get time to have at home. I even managed to sit down and have a cocktail with him, which I never thought would be possible with 3 kids around my feet. It's the first time we've ever done a Jet 2 holiday, and the fact that there's the entertainment and the kids club and so much going on, there's something for all the family.